If you enjoyed this video, I've got good news. There's more where that came from. But here's the deal. YouTube won't always show you my latest videos unless you subscribe and turn on notifications. When you like this video, it not only helps the channel grow, but it also tells YouTube that more people should see this content. This community isn't just about watching, it's about connecting. Drop a comment below and be part of the conversation. Let me know what you think, what you want to see next, or just say hi. I read every single comment because your support is what keeps this going. And if you want to support even more, check out my merch store. The link is in the description, so take a look and see what catches your eye. Thanks for being part of this journey, and I'll see you in the next one.